In this video, I'm going to share how to transfer your Roblox account to another device. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that this process works if you are on your phone or your computer, laptop, doesn't matter the device. If you want to transfer your Roblox account, you need to remember your username and the password. So, if you don't remember, you need to click to log on another device and you will see right here forgot password or username. If you click right here, you can change your password and see your username, just putting your Roblox email address, the email that you used when you created your account. So, if you want to transfer your account, you just need to log on the another device. For example, this one, if I want to transfer my account to this device, I just put my username and my password, then click to log, and that's it. You transferred your account to another device, okay? I hope I helped you how to transfer your Roblox account to another device. So, if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.